Hi, I'm Katie with the Frain Group. Today we're demonstrating a fully integrated bottle filling line. Systems like these are capable of running many different product and container sizes, such as the ones you see here. Today we'll be filling 1.5 gallons of ketchup into this jug at 10 containers per minute. The empty bottles are filled using a 2-head inline piston filler. From here, the bottles go through a metal detector. A cap is then applied using a single head chuck capper. A front and back pressure sensitive label is then applied to the jug. The jugs are then checked for weight. They then go through an induction sealer. And finally, the jugs enter a case packing station.